Hey guys, what is up? I am back. Yes, I am finally back. I'm here so you guys can sorry for my cough. I'm here so you guys can actually watch something on YouTube and not be bored at home. It's been a while. I've had some stuff, but right now I'm playing some Strucid, so you guys can actually see some okay game kit. Okay, I'm so trash at the game now. Remember when I first made a video on this, guys? Here, that kid, you trash. Really? So you tell me this guy had a third party of me? He just had to? There's a dude behind me, isn't there? There isn't, okay. I think I have a bloody nose right now. That is honestly. Are you kidding? You must be kidding me, right? We're all tied for one kill. My kill now, boy. Ooh, come here, boy. Don't make me ooga booga you to the head, boy. I get wrecked, boy. Don't make me unleash the base, boy. Come here, bro. Come here, brother. Oh, brother, trying to build up on me, brother. Brother wins. Get back, kid. You trash. Come on, kid. You trash, bro. Put up your game. Get your game together, kid. You're trash. You're trash, kid. You're trash. Well, okay. And I have a bloody nose in real life. Okay. Okay. I'm still top. Must be this YouTube luck. You know what I mean, guys? Come on, boy. Stop hiding from me, boy. I don't even got a sniper on me, boy. You can't even hit your shots, kid. Come here, boy. Come here, kid. Man, I'm motherfucking double pumping on you guys, bro. Let me add a sniper back to my loadout. The only reason why I don't have a sniper on me, guys, is because, every time I press 5, it's so irritating. You know? You press 5 accidentally, you didn't want to. Oh, look at this little default. Look at this little default. She, I can't believe he didn't actually snipe me. Really? Okay. One shot at this dude. For some reason, it does that sometimes. See, this is what I'm talking about. I press 5, wanting to press 4. The only reason why I'm doing this double thing, really? Okay, I hate that dude. I really do hate that dude. If you're gonna die, just let me kill you. Okay? That's how life goes. In these parts, bro. Let me get through. Oh my god. I can't even. My guns are not reloaded. This build is only winning because my guns are not reloading most of the time. And people are killing themselves. He's about to kill himself. This dude is like 57 years old. That's what his character looks like. 57 years old. This man look like he's been here since the dawn of time. Okay, now there's a really important lesson here, kids. Really important lessons. When you're fighting me, you just always have to come prepared. Just know that. Peace. Okay. Good stuff to you. Where's that Romeo dude? I want one of you on him. My everything is set weird. Okay, hold on. Get me out of this! Ah! I'm coming for you, boy! Get out of here! Thought this was, kid. Bro, you thought I was really about to die? Oh my god. I could have killed Romeo a whole bunch of times. But you guys know, my gun was reloaded. It was not reloaded at all. Not once. When I was in a fight. I'm gonna play all these modes, and when it gets back to free-for-all, I'm gonna end the game. Wait, what is that noise? Hold on. What is this noise? Bro, why are you just standing still right there? My mouse sensitivity is turned so high, guys. Look. Look how fast I can edit right now. Hold on. Ready for it? Ready for it? Boom. The edit is so fast. I can build so fast too. I can aim so fast too. Look at this fast aiming. Look at this fast aiming, bro. Brotherlands. Look at this fast aiming. You guys keep on killing me. Not get killed because my guns are never reloaded. My god. Let me reload my guns. Strucid. Come on, dude. Look out for butter. You gotta look out for your butter. He's not too from the same mother. So let's see you step butter. This dude's got mega amazing. I'm the only one that can actually go with this dude. Let me reload my AR. You know I'm gonna need this. Yeah, alone. Our flag's legit being taken away. Stop playing music near me. I don't want to get copyrighted. Look at this flag, dude. Look at this dude. I need to reload anyway, so this is the perfect place to reload. No one can even see me, guys. So perfect. I'm about to bounce over here. About to bounce your whole thing. What do you mean? Hey. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Ooh. Really? You gotta be kidding me, brother. Go through here. I keep on having no mates. But guys, as you can see, I'm not the best at this game. I'm okay. Like 6 kills is not even a lot. I think that's how much I have. I ain't know. I'll come back up on your own bills. Bro, you're playing ring around the rosy, bro. Ring around your forehead, bro. Yeah, okay. I don't even want to take their flag. don't care about winning. That's mine. Okay, apparently they care about winning. Okay, put it. Yeah, guys, I'm not the best. I only got 3 kills. This dude has 14. Because he plays this game a whole bunch, obviously. I made him fall, bro. Dude is stupid. Okay, no. Wow. 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 Brother. What am I doing? It's him. It's him. We need to kill him. They actually care about winning the game. Okay, mouse, really? Guys, if you don't know, my mouse has sometimes been cutting out on its own. It's so stupid. That kid is actually trash. That kid is actually doo-doo. I'm gonna go ahead and kill him real quick. Okay, he's not trash. Okay. This is shotgun is trash, okay? Spawn me in? Alright, coach. I'm gonna go at this dude. I can't let someone outbuild me. No one has outbuilt me out on this game yet. No one has outbuilded me. No one. No one has ever outbuilded me, and no one ever will. Edit that back. Okay, let's go. How did someone steal the blue flag if you guys saw me? He's doing double shotgun too. Doing double shotgun. Really? Okay, this man is spamming traps. Guys, I don't spam traps. I actually use them wisely. This dude is so trash. He got a spam trap just to actually kill me. That's when you know people are trash. No one is a faster builder than me. If you think you're faster at building than I am, comment that down below. Then I'll get your Roblox username. We can both play this game, and we can 1v1 in a build battle. I'm so confident that no one can outbuild me on this game. I'm too good, guys. I'm too good. You guys already know that. I'm so good for this game, man. They can't they can't do nothing against me. Oh, gotta put my charger in. Brother wins. Gotta put my charger in. Alright, come on, go. I'm about a 360 Ooga Booga, so I'm like, God. Let's go. Get Ooga Booga, kid. But we're on the same team. This dude. Am I serious right now? Did I just actually miss that shot? Okay, I was about to say. Kill me, please! Switch it is! I got a notification right next to me. Bro, this dude cannot aim. That's my thing. Oops. Come on, bro. Here, red sauce. Red sauce, kid. You know what the funny thing is? Yesterday, guys, I ran into a hacker. Yep, a hacker on Strucid. And I was trying to tell the developers his name because I went to their Roblox group and it didn't let me say his name. I think it was like Jeff013 something. It was a long, unusual name. I know something else is wrong. Okay, no, okay, good for me. Alright. There's a blue guy right behind me. You guys saw that? The guy's almost filled. Come on, dude. I'm trying to go, bro. Come out here, boy! I knew it! Oh. Bruh. I can't play Fortnite because my frames will go so low. I already tried it before and my frames went so low. Not so low. It went so low. See how I just trapped him? Okay. Let me put this gun out. This is what everyone's going against. When they build against me, this is what they go against. Give that kid. Don't spam on my teammates. I think there's a dog downstairs. My house. No, guys, let me know if you want to see vlogs. I can make that happen. I got y'all, you know? I can make stuff happen for y'all. I can't make y'all good at this game, though. Actually, I can't because I'm better than y'all. You know, sorry to say, but just face it. I'm better than everyone in this game. I already saw that dude, so you guys are stupid. There's a dude up here. He was staring at us. Capture this. He might have left right now. Yeah, he's over there. You know. Here's an enemy in this corner. Look in chat, guys. EzzGotGame official is godlike, and that's me. Let's go! EzzGotGame official is godlike, and then it said he is godlike, unstoppable. How many kills I got that round? I'm gonna spawn into this game and see how many kills I got last round. I got 12 kills last round, so I got like 6 in a row. He got 14, okay. He's not like I trying to build, and I tried to shoot him with this shotgun, then I went to this shotgun and saw it like this, and I killed him. Oh, no, 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 no! Bring that booty, boy! Give me that booty! Oh my god! I hate people in the bathroom. Hold on, guys. Sorry for this. Be quiet! There you go, guys. So now I'm probably not gonna hear anything else in the background because, you know, the boss said be quiet. Okay. Really? 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 You really have to try and get your team up. By the way, guys, I think TDM, if you guys don't know what TDM stands for, I literally just learned it. I think it means this. Team domination. Mr. Blockspun, oh, thanks for that kill, bro. Thanks for helping my team out. Oh, where is he? Oh my god, thank you. Thanks for the kill, dude. Thanks for killing me, you know? I really wanted to get out the spot, so thanks for killing me, dude. Alright, guys. After this, I'm probably going to be... after this, guys, I'm probably going to be ending the recording. Okay? Hopefully, by now, this video should be edited. If I'm not lazy. And now edit my videos, guys. On a software. It's a free app, not sponsored though. Oh, get wrapped, kid! Get wrapped! This kid really trying to shoot at me? Bro, your gun's not gonna be working on me, bro. I'm too good, but... Did you guys just see that? He shot me through my build. I put down a wall and then he shot me through it. You need a strap for it? If you guys want to learn something new, let me kill him real quick. I'll tell you guys later, okay? Wow, dude. Okay. So you still want to interrupt everything I say. Here's that, dude. Hey, when you guys are placing out a bouncer on the floor, watch this. You put a trap here, and then you do this. If the person goes on it, the trap will go off. I don't think it works in Fortnite. Hold on. Get plunging. I'm about to kill him. My pickaxe to get wrecked, kid. See? He tried to use that trap over there, and he got killed. Go, shoot! I thought I had 2 more. I thought I had more ammo on my gun, bro.
Oh, nah. She said that's mom.
Really? I just got floored by this dude. hate people that do that. They're so annoying. My God, guys, you hurt me? Get wrecked, kitty trash. Get wrecked, kitty trash, too. We're all gonna ignore that. We're gonna act like that never happened. You could probably put another floor trap under it, if you dare. What do you see? I'm acting like a streamer where I don't get excited over things like that. I can't, man. I'm a streamer, dude. TTV, by the way. Okay. Okay, that's probably gonna be the easiest sniper of his life. Because I was literally walking right in front of him, so. Oh no. Oh, what was that position just now? That. I hate people that do that. But you know, since I hate them, I gotta do right back to them. To make I hate them too. Make them stop doing it. Whatever you can do, I can do better. Hold on. That is 70 health away from me. By the way, just so you guys know. Kiki, what do you love me? Nope, are you riding? Number 2. Boy! You guys saw how I couldn't shot right there and killed him? That could have been a quick scope. Alright. Guys, unfortunately, this video, we didn't hit level 46. It's about to be free-for-all. And we just went through every single level. And you guys are probably bored and want to not see this video no more. So I'm going to cut it right here. Be ready for the next new one. Okay, hold on. Let me put this. Ooh. I don't like rolling with that, but I guess I'll roll with it. Ooh, this guy looks scary, man. That's what I'm going for. I got the pitchfork. Hold on. Let me open a crate this video. Because, ooh, I got 1,101 dozen kills. Yeah. KDR. But, how can you 1.3 if I average about 6+ kills a game? Pockets a day. KDR really doesn't matter because I really actually do be averaging like 6 kills plus a game, so kill death ratio does not matter. Okay, let's go to the shop. Let's go to cases. Open. I'm about to buy a legendary case and ball. buy this diamond case. I'm about to go back. We'll go back to cases. We'll go back to the lobby. Alright. Capturing flags. Probably not going to do that. Probably won't do that because I don't like capturing flags and bring them back to my base. Let me just play a little bit. Let me just get one more kill. my last kill of the day, guys. So I know y'all happy. You don't get to see me no more. Hey. Hold on, I want to reach level 46 in this video. Really? I think I need one more kill, and I'll go to level 46. Okay.